Hey everybody, in this video, I'm going to show you the integration with Hyperise and Uptics, basically start to finish. So I'm going to start with everything from setting up your API in Hyperise to adding an image and setting up the integration between Hyperise and Uptics, and then actually getting an image into the Uptics platform. All right, so let's get started. So first of all, you need to start in your Hyperise account. If you go to the bottom, click on your settings and click on the API documentation there. From there, you need to add a token name. So for use cases here, I'm just going to say demo 2. You click create token. This is what you want to copy and then put into Uptics. Okay, so let's hop over to Uptics quick. All right, so now that we're in Uptics, you're going to want to navigate to the bottom left-hand corner. We're going to go to settings. Once you're in settings, you're going to click on integrations. Once you're on integrations, you're going to paste your API key here under the Hyperise block, and you're going to hit save. Once that's saved, now your Hyperise images will sync within Uptics. To test this, you can look in multiple areas. So for instance, I'm just going to go click and add a email template. All right. And once that email template's open, you're going to notice this icon down in the bottom left-hand corner, and you can access your email templates from a lot of places in Uptics. But once you open that up, you're going to click on Hyperise, and now your Hyperise images are going to show up inside of Uptics. And from there, all you'll do is you'll click insert, and that image will get inserted into the Uptics template. It might take a second to load. That's because it's got to sync between Uptics and Hyperise. But before you launch your campaign, one thing I want to show you inside of Hyperise to make sure that you do this right is you got to do a couple things inside of your image in Hyperise to make sure the token, the merged field, the contact first name or whatever it is that you're going to pull data from inside of the Uptics platform is set up right. So let's actually hop back over to Hyperise and I'll show you that. All right, so now that we're back in Hyperise, you're going to want to make sure to go to your images, and we need to make sure that the integration is set up inside of the Hyperise image. So you're going to see this little logo, and this is our old logo. It looks like we've got to have Hyperise update that, but just click into your image, and you're going to want to go to images right here, integrations right here, excuse me. You'll click add. You're going to search for Uptics, select it, and now that's going to be set up as an integration between Hyperise and Uptics. So you got to make sure to do that for each one of your images if you want to make sure that the image comes through properly. If you're pulling any data like contact first name or company or anything like that, you want to make sure that that's set up properly, okay? So that's super, super important. And then once you've done that, what I suggest is going back into Uptics and sending yourself some test emails, right, with that image to make sure that the merge fields and stuff like that are set up properly. All right, so that's how you integrate Hyperise and Uptics. I hope this video is helpful, and we'll see you on the next one.